Warning to humanity, we may be heading towards collective suicide. Our beautiful planet Earth is heading into oblivion. We are on the edge of an abyss. This video is made in the name of living humans and those billions of sentients hoping to be born on the planet Earth. We have historically chosen our leaders to run our nations and to defend us from conquerors. But modern leaders believing in their God-given righteousness no longer do so. They have become conquerors themselves, destroyers of the order of nature, dictators in ordinary, who have eschewed accountability and responsibility in their lust for power and control. We are on the path to extinction. It took millions of years of evolutionary processes to create just the right situations on the planet Earth for life to evolve to the present level, and our modern leaders are about to obliterate it forever. They must stop their present and future war games once and for all. If we do not come together to oppose them, if we do not stand up for all life, for our world, for our freedom, these false leaders in their foolishness will annihilate life on our beautiful planet Earth. Time is running out. Open your mind and embrace reality before it is taken from you forever. How do I know all this? As mentioned in my film, The Ultimate Unity, we have two parallel terrestrial universes, one made from matter and the other made from antimatter, mirroring our planet Earth and stars. But we can only observe life in our universe and not the other parallel antimatter universe. I was taken to this antimatter parallel Earth, which was quite deliberate, so that I could warn humanity. I was received as a dignitary with the highest of respect. The whole visit was undertaken in a very orderly fashion. They emphasized to me that natural drinking water is very scarce on this terrestrial parallel Earth, as I was told in words and thoughts. The little that is still left is kept very deep underground and is guarded as if life depends on it. The question we can ask is what happened to the water? The conclusion I can draw regarding the information given to me is that some kind of terrible pollution came about, possibly the aftermath of cataclysmic events and perhaps nuclear war. The water on this antimatter Earth is simply not drinkable anymore, and drinkable water would be found only within the higher mountains and very deep underground. This is what I saw on my visit to the antimatter's planet Earth. During my visit, I was shown artificially engineered entities. They seemed like genetically engineered clones. There is no gender and no concept of family. These clones are kept separately in an enclosure as animals and are used for difficult jobs that are too dangerous for humans to do. They are placid like sheep. The human is in complete control, hence no danger to the human. It seems to me that on this planet there is a short supply of humans. I was observing these cloned entities from the boundary between two realities. It felt similar to when you are standing in front of a sheet of plastic and you want to see what is on the other side, so you have to cut a bit of the plastic to see through to the other side more clearly. In order to see the entity that is in charge of those clones, I had to turn my vision 180 degrees to my left or right side, but even then I was not able to see their faces clearly, but felt them standing next to me in their human form. I could not enter into this universe reality because in order to enter, I had to have a manifested body of flesh from this universe, which is made from an anti-atom solid matter. To me, and many others, when we visit some of these other manifested universes and realities, It looks as if we are part of each reality, but this is not the case. We are only observing that reality. The guides that brought me here somehow sped up time for me so that I could see the night sky. The stars and the moon were the same size as seen from the Earth. This exercise was organized to let me know that I was still on planet Earth, but in an antimatter parallel universe. The universe is perfectly balanced. For every planet there will be an anti-atom planet. For every star there will be an anti-atom star. For every galaxy there will be an anti-atom galaxy. Otherwise the universe wouldn't exist. Our planet Earth and the anti-planet Earth were created at the same time. The environments of both planets are almost identical. The difference is being that the anti-planet Earth's humanity already destroyed theirs, but there is still time to save ours. Humans living in universe and anti-universe level number 7, our planet Earth and anti-Earth, are the most primitive cognitive beings, as I was told by the extracelestials. This video cannot be commercialized. Although if you feel strongly about saving our Earth for future generations, then you have permission to distribute this video freely to any and all people on this, our beautiful planet Earth. For more information, see my movie The Ultimate Unity and the accompanying books, available on theultimateunity.com.